Welcome to the Mayor's Message of February 19th, 2021. I'm Mayor Ron Jensen. Folks, this has been an unprecedented week in Grand Prairie, DFW, and Texas. As if COVID had not isolated us enough, now a week of Arctic weather has stranded people at home without utilities. During this weather emergency, the City of Grand Prairie continually has pushed Encore and Atmos to provide better restoration ETAs for all services. However, the city does not control the power grid or natural gas supplies. The energy issues that we experienced were out of the city's control. We had numerous city facilities shut down due to no electricity, natural gas, or broken pipes. We did, however, continue to fight for our residents' health and safety at the local, county, and state levels. The city provided ever-changing information on our website, through social media, and through Alert GP. If you do not subscribe to Alert GP, you need to do so now by going to the website gptx.org. The city will send text, voice, and email messages regarding emergencies and other important community news. This system enables us to provide you with critical information quickly in a variety of situations, such as severe weather, unexpected road closures, missing persons, and evacuations of buildings or neighborhoods. If you receive the notification, you can confirm that you have received the message, and that way you will not be contacted by any subsequent methods regarding that same notification. If you do not confirm, the system will continue to attempt to reach you at all the contact paths that you have registered. You will receive time-sensitive messages wherever you specify, such as your home, mobile, or business phones, email address, text messages, and more. You pick where, you pick how. The city's Emergency Operations Center, along with many of our public works people, have been working day and night during this weather event to manage resources, advocate for Grand Prairie at the state level, and provide current information. Police and fire bundled up, put chains on their tires, and kept responding and serving. Our street crews worked day and night to keep up with sanding, plowing, and closing thoroughfares too dangerous to pass. Equipment services crews have worked tirelessly to keep the fleet rolling, from heavy equipment to police cars. Parks opened a warming station at the Ruthie Jackson Center. Information technology worked to keep city internet and phone access. Our communications department worked day and night to post current information and respond to the many comments and inquiries on our website and social media. Perhaps the hardest hit has been our water wastewater crews, as electrical outages negatively affect the city's automated water system in ways we had not anticipated, even though the system is on a backup generator. And crews have responded to hundreds of homes without water due to frozen pipes or meters, working dozens of water breaks in freezing conditions, and we pushed our water provider, which is Dallas, to increase capacity as use has increased. Here are some stats from the weather emergency through Wednesday, February 17th. More than 100 social media and Nextdoor posts viewed more than 256,000 times, more than 21,000 visits to the city's website for weather-related news. Earlier this week, we had up to 33,000 customers without electricity for 4 or 5 days plus. The good news is, as of this morning, we have 2,000 customers without power. Maybe by the time you see this message, everyone will have power. I pray we do. 72 traffic signals were without power, creating 4-way stops for anyone brave enough or crazy enough to get out. Water crews have responded to more than 420 service calls and more than 300 frozen pipe calls. Streets responded to 174 calls for service and sanded 374 locations using 270 tons of material and 2,400 man-hours. The warming center at the Ruthie Jackson Center greeted more than 300 guests. Police dispatch calls went up 3 times higher than normal, mostly because of calls about no power or no gas. When they call us, we redirected them to Encore and Atmos, as the city has no control over the power grids. Police and emergency services staff slept at the public safety building to ensure fully staffed patrols. Fire calls have gone up 3.5 times more than normal, with more than 600 calls being received in 4 days. And because we've been stuck at home, COVID positive cases are way down. I definitely want the weather to heat up, but don't want the COVID positive cases to heat up. To help keep COVID numbers down, the city has created several COVID-19 vaccination registration events to help eligible people without internet access sign up for a vaccination. The next one is Tuesday, February 23rd at the Charlie Taylor Rec Center from 9 a.m. to noon. It's a drive-through. Customers will manually complete a registration form and staff will enter the information into the Dallas County registration portal. Then the next one will be February 27th at the main library, 901 Conover, from 9 a.m. to noon. The city continues to operate with the City of Irving, a vaccination center at Verizon Theater by appointment only through Dallas County registration portal as vaccines are available. Although there is no guarantee Grand Prairie residents will be assigned to the Grand Prairie location. The county assigns days, times, and locations as vaccines are available and slots are open. Deputy Mayor Pro Tem Mike Delboski is having a town hall meeting Thursday, February 25th at 6 p.m. at the Young Women's Leadership Academy, 1204 East Marshall Drive. And then a special election will be held on February 27th to fill the District 2 seat left vacant upon the death in December of Councilmember Jim Swafford due to COVID. Only registered voters who reside in District 2 may vote in this special election. We are requesting that you conserve water because as it warms up, we're going to see more breaks, which is a waste of water, and it's going to bring the pressure down. So as the weather turns a little warmer, you can stop the dripping faucets and conserve water as best you can. We're very fortunate, if you've watched the news, many cities around us have lost water pressure and therefore have had to boil their water. We haven't gotten to that point yet. We need to conserve water to help us maintain our water pressure and keep from doing that. Until next week, stay warm, stay safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, socially distance, and folks, this has all been tough. Let's be kind to one another.